Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Ethereum price today as we are breaking out to new all-time highs exactly like we predicted in our video yesterday. And I had to make this quick update just to give you guys an idea of what targets and resistance areas I am watching for the Ethereum price, because you can see we do have this channel resistance that we are going to start to come towards. And if we start to test this level, we want to watch what's happening to the volume to see whether or not we're going to start seeing sell pressure or not, to determine whether this is going to be an area where we are going to see some potential downside. And of course, there is also that upside potential for us to reach our target of that $2,600 area. I'll talk about that as well. You guys are watching the Snipers channel. My name is Naeem Al-Obeidi. If you appreciate this content, remember to like this video. I had to make this quick update because, of course, just like we predicted in our video yesterday, we are seeing this breakout to new all-time highs for the Ethereum price. And when we look at what's happening to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, just like I told you guys, we had to monitor this in order to determine whether or not we were going to see new all-time highs for Ethereum. And exactly like we talked about, as soon as we started to come up above these 3 daily moving averages, we saw a massive push to the upside, and it took us way above and beyond that 35,000 Satoshis resistance level, which is a very positive thing for the Ethereum price in the macro and in the medium term. And so realize at this point, as long as we stay above 35,000 Satoshis, the next major resistance is 37,170 Satoshis. Once we get to this range, we do have this channel resistance. And once this area is cleared, in my opinion, there could be a massive run up for the Ethereum price. So as we watch the Ethereum to US dollar chart, let's keep monitoring the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart and that 37,100 and Satoshi level. That is an extremely important level for the Ethereum price right now. And then of course, when we look at what's happening to Bitcoin, you can see we've yet to break out to new all-time highs, but we do have a target sitting right at that $65,000 to $66,000 level still here for Bitcoin that can potentially be met during this weekend. And when we look at the Bitcoin futures chart, you can see we almost have this ascending triangle formation. And so that is also a very positive thing. We saw something similar to that with the total cryptocurrency market cap chart. And of course, that has already broken out. And you can see we're seeing new all-time highs after forming that similar symmetrical or ascending triangle formation. And so very interesting stuff happening right now in the markets. Of course, we will take a look at traditional markets as they come back into the equation tomorrow evening. But the DXY so far is finding resistance at this channel resistance area. So we do want to keep note of that. And then, of course, if we look at US oil, which is a commodity, you can see we're still sitting at this major resistance level. We've yet to see some solid direction here, but we do have a potential head and shoulder pattern. And if this starts to break down, that could be the first indicator that this resistance could not actually hold, and we could see further upside for the DXY. So we'll continue to monitor that. I think that's going to be a huge part of next week. And then of course, when we look at traditional markets like the S&P 500, we closed with strength just as we expected. And then in international markets, you can see we do have a lot of bottom type of formations. You can see right here with Japan gapping up today. And so that is very good to see a strong weekly close. And so very positive stuff happening on the charts. Of course, I do want to give away one of my favorite books on investing, Principles by Ray Dalio. If you want to enter into this giveaway, just comment below and share this video, and you'll have a chance to win this book. I'll go ahead and pick a winner from our video yesterday. Let's see here. Martin says, 2,600 ETH finally. I'm so ready to tell all the non-believers I told you so. You want a book, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram. The link is in the description below. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this quick Saturday update, and I'm going to head out now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Snipers out.